Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to write a B1 visa application letter for business travel to the United States. If you need a visa to visit the US for professional purposes, writing a clear and well-structured application letter is essential. A B1 visa is meant for business travelers who need to attend meetings, conferences, training sessions, or negotiations. Since US visa applications involve detailed review processes, your letter should present all relevant information in a professional and organized manner. In this video, we'll go step by step through the structure of the letter, following the exact order of the template and ensuring that you include all the necessary details to strengthen your application. Let's begin. Sender's information, identifying yourself. The first section of the letter contains your personal details. This information helps the consular officer identify who you are and how they can contact you if necessary. Make sure to include your full name, your complete address, including city, zip code, and country, your email address, your phone number. For example, the letter should start like this: John Doe, 123 Business Street, London, UK 10001. johndoe@email.com. plus 4427 9460123. Providing these details ensures that your letter looks professional and that the embassy has all your contact information in case they need to reach you for further clarification. Date, indicating when you're writing the letter. Next, include the date when you are writing the letter. This is important because visa applications are time-sensitive, and embassies process documents based on submission dates. A proper format to use is April 15, 2025, keeping it clear and professional. Recipient's information, addressing the US Embassy or consulate. After the date, you need to address the letter to the correct US Embassy or consulate where you are applying for the visa. This section includes the name of the embassy or consulate, the full address, the city and country. For example, US Embassy in London, 339 Elms Lane, London, UK SW 117 US. Make sure to double-check the embassy's details to avoid any mistakes in your application. Subject line, stating the purpose of the letter. The subject line should clearly indicate why you are writing. It should be short, direct, and formal. For example, application for B1 business visa. This immediately informs the visa officer about the purpose of your letter and makes it easier for them to process your application efficiently. Salutation, a professional greeting. Since you don't know exactly who will be reviewing your application, use a general but formal greeting. Dear Consular Officer, this keeps the tone respectful and professional. Opening paragraph, stating your visa request and travel dates. In the first paragraph, you should clearly state that you are applying for a B1 business visa and provide your planned travel dates. For example, I am writing to formally apply for a B1 business visa to visit the United States for professional purposes. My planned visit is from July 10, 2025 to July 20, 2025, during which I intend to engage in business-related activities, including attending meetings and conferences. This introduction gets straight to the point and provides the key details that the embassy needs to process your application. Purpose of visit, explaining why you're traveling. The next paragraph should describe the reason for your visit in more detail. You need to explain what kind of business activities you will be involved in and why your presence in the US is necessary. For example, I am currently employed as Senior Project Manager at XYZ Corporation, where I have been working since January 2015. My employer has approved my travel for this business trip, and I will be representing my company in meetings with our US business partners in New York, as well as attending an industry conference on technology and innovation. This section reassures the consular officer that your trip is legitimate and aligns with the purpose of a B1 visa, which is strictly for business-related activities. Travel arrangements, proving that you have a planned itinerary. The embassy wants to see that you have concrete plans for your trip and that you do not intend to stay in the US beyond the allowed period. I have made the necessary arrangements for my visit, including confirmed accommodation at Hilton Midtown, New York, and a return flight reservation to ensure my timely departure from the United States. Mentioning your accommodation and return flight confirms that you have planned your trip responsibly and have no intention of overstaying your visa. Supporting documents, strengthening your application. Visa applications require supporting documents to prove your employment, financial stability, and travel plans. Listing these documents in your letter shows that you are providing complete and relevant information. I have enclosed the following supporting documents to assist with my application. A completed visa application, Form DS-160, a copy of my passport, passport-sized photographs, a letter from my employer confirming my trip and financial sponsorship, invitation letter from the U.S. company organization if applicable, proof of financial means, bank statements, pay slips, etc., travel itinerary and accommodation details. Providing these documents helps the embassy verify your claims and increases your chances of visa approval. Final request and contact information. Before closing the letter, politely request that the consular officer consider your application. Also, provide your contact details again so they can reach you if needed. I kindly request your favorable consideration of my application. If any further information is required, I would be happy to provide it. Please feel free to contact me at johndoe@email.com or +44 27 946 0123. This keeps the letter professional and ensures that the embassy knows how to contact you if necessary. Closing and signature. End the letter formally with a polite closing remark. Thank you for your time and assistance. Then sign off with, "Sincerely, John Doe." This leaves a positive impression and reinforces your professionalism. And that's how you write a B1 visa application letter. This letter plays a crucial role in your visa approval process, so be sure to provide accurate details, attach all necessary documents, and maintain a professional tone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices. If you have any questions about visa letters or need assistance with your application, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.